Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. 4 low-impact morning exercises for weight loss. Number 1. Walking or marching in place. Duration, 10 to 15 minutes. Benefits. Elevates heart rate for fat burning. Improves circulation and warms up the body. Easy to modify by adjusting pace and arm movement. How to do it. Stand tall, engage your core, and start walking in place. Swing your arms naturally and lift your knees slightly higher for more intensity. If comfortable, increase speed gradually. Modification. If standing is difficult, try seated marching by lifting your legs while seated. Number 2. Seated or standing leg lifts. Reps, 10 to 15 per leg, 2 to 3 sets. Benefits. Strengthens the core, thighs, and lower body. Helps improve balance and stability. Great for beginners or those with knee discomfort. How to do it. Seated version. Sit on a sturdy chair, straighten one leg, hold for a few seconds, then lower it down slowly. Repeat on the other leg. Standing version. Stand with feet hip-width apart, lift one leg straight to the side, hold for a second, then lower. Modification. Hold onto a chair for added balance. Number 3. Slow bodyweight squats, chair-assisted if needed. Reps, 10 to 15, 2 to 3 sets. Benefits. Strengthens thighs, glutes, and core. Engages large muscle groups, aiding fat loss. Less impact on knees compared to jumping exercises. How to do it. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body by bending your knees, keeping your chest upright. Hold for a second, then push back up slowly. If needed, use a chair for support. Modification. Reduce the depth if you have knee discomfort. Number 4. Standing side-to-side step plus arm reach. Reps, 15 to 20 steps per side, 2 to 3 sets. Benefits. Engages the legs, core, and arms for a full body movement. Helps improve coordination and flexibility. Low impact but still increases calorie burn. How to do it. Stand with feet together. Step to the right, then bring your left foot in to meet it. While stepping, extend your arms overhead or forward for added engagement. Repeat on the other side. Modification. Move at a slower pace if needed.